and welcome back to another video. My name is Will for The Next Geek, and today we're doing a video review of Copy. Now this is another cloud service which is an absolutely fantastic place to share files, not only because of how big it actually stores, but how simple it is to use. So you can see here it looks very modern and very minimal in its way. So you can see here this is what you get. Basically when you first sign up you will get 15 GB, but if you click the link down below you will get 20 GB, which is fantastic for those who are looking for a simple way to storage their stuff via the cloud with large file sort of storage space. Makes sense. So basically let's get into the actual application itself. So you can see here it's better showing, so you get to actually able to share large photos and as well as whatever you want to share. It is secure, and also you can do company friendly, so you can add in companies. So basically let's get into the application itself. So you can get this downloaded for your Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS and also Android. Now that is a whole plethora of platforms it can run on, so that is really good. So you can see here this is the Copy folder. Now this is one of the folders that you can actually have and also have shared with me, so I can actually have people to share files with myself. You can see here this is one image I added earlier on with my Android device, which I'll show you in a second, and it's basically a picture or a random picture of Vampire the Weeknd, the latest album which I took for Instagram. But you know, you can see how simple it looks and how easy it is to run. You can see I just basically tapped on Copy folder image and it's come up with this area here. On this bit here I do actually have the option to rename the actual file itself, so I can actually go like so and put Vampire Weeknd like so. I don't know if I've done anything right there, but you can see here now it's changed it, but the actual image isn't working. But if you do that, you can see it's still not working in itself, which is a little bit of a disappointment. But when I download it, I'm hoping you can see there now it's just basically not working at all. But now you can see when it's refreshed, there are some little bit of bugs, but once you refresh the page you will have the opportunity to see the actual file name changed. What do you call it? You see the actual file change, something like that. You can see the file has changed its name and the picture is back into reality. So you can able to download this, or you have the ability to share publicly or securely, whichever you want to do. And of course I can actually file activity, so I can see who's actually viewed this and who've actually downloaded this, so on and so forth. So you can see there is a lot of statistics showing you what can actually happen. And again, if I go on actions, I have the ability to share, details, download, or I have the ability to delete the actual image itself, like so. So again, the application isn't really much to it. You just basically get, you know, basically this. That's basically it. This is how you actually use the application, and you do have the ability to have it on Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS. So not too bad at all. Before I go, I will show you how to basically add an image, and of course it's more simple than done. You can see you just basically drag, drop, and now the file is supposedly uploaded, and it'll take a little while to actually get the image done and so on and so forth. And then once that's done, you will see a little push notification or a highlight area which will go on your Mac or Windows or Linux to let you know that there is a file that's been added to your system. As you can see there, it's actually notified me that it's added to your Copy folder, and I can go there and I can look at the image if I want to, like I did a minute ago with Vampire the Weeknd. Again guys, this application is fantastic in its way of uploading and basically sharing your files and so on and so forth with friends and family. To come down again, you do get a 15 GB free storage space, but then if you do use our referral code you will get 20 GB free storage space, which is fantastic for those starters. And again on the Pro you get 250 GB for $9.99 a month, which is not bad at all, and it's fantastic. Now for 500 GB for the users who are like businessmen or women, you know, this will cost $14.99 a month as well. Again guys, this has been Will from The Next Geek. I've been reviewing Copy. I think it's a fantastic app for those who just want to upload files and share it with friends or family. Again guys, if you want to use 20 GB, basically use our referral code, and we'll see you all in the next video.